Integrated Korean, Beginning 1, Grammar 1.1.
N1은 N2이에요.
In Korean, topic comment structure is the basic sentence type. It's one of the fundamental ways of conveying ideas, where the speaker picks a person, an idea, or an object as the topic and contributes the subsequent comments to describe it. The most typical use of topic comment structure is in identifying statements where equational expressions are used.
마이클은 대학생이에요.
Michael is a college student.
마이클은
As for Michael, the particle
은
is attached to the topic. So here, Michael is the topic.
대학생이에요. 대학생
Is a college student, and
이에요
is attached to the noun to complete the comment structure. Here,
이에요
consists of
이다
to be, the copula, and the polite sentence ender.
어요 아요
When you attach the topic particle
은
or
는
to the first noun, you need to choose which one to use between
은
and
는
depending on the last sound of the noun. If the noun ends in a consonant, use
은
as in.
마이클은
When it ends in a vowel, use
는
as in.
스티브는 마이클은 1학년이에요.
Michael is a freshman.
스티브는 3학년이에요.
Steve is a junior. In the comment part, the copula, to be, is attached to the noun to complete the comment structure. When the noun ends in a consonant, use
이에요.
which is a conjugated form of
이다.
when the noun ends in a vowel, use the contracted form.
예요. 김유미예요.
Today we learned the topic comment equational structure.
N1은 N2이에요.
Now let's go ahead and complete the quiz for Grammar 1.1.